Okay, I need to make room in my garden for sweet potatoes I want to grow, and I want to use these 30-gallon grow bags that I have. As you can see, there is garlic that I planted back in September. This is store-bought garlic. I've done this before, but just want to make another video to show you exactly how easy it is to grow your own garlic. And all you need is to buy some organic garlic from your store, or you can get it online, however way you choose. But this here, I put 8 in this 30-gallon grow bag, and just from one garlic clove, I got this massive bulb. And like I said, I have roughly 30 plus, like 32 garlic bulbs that I need to harvest out of my garden. And just gonna show you what I come back with. And you can tell by the stalk here, this was going to be a massive bulb here, whereas some are a little bit slimmer. But a great way to know that your garlic is ready to harvest. Again, different garlics are going to produce some different stalks that you'll just need to pay attention to. And I know that you can enjoy some what they call green garlic, depending on what you may be trying to grow. Again, I'm not trying to get too fancy with it. I just wanted some garlic. I wanted the easiest way to have my own, which is why I went with some store-bought. But there's tons of variety that you could choose from. So just do your own research to figure out which type of garlic you want to have, and plant it in your garden. And honestly, I'm gonna try to see if I can grow this later in the year instead of just waiting till September. I've never done it before, but I'm always down to try something new here. But let's get these out, see what we're working with here, and then get my sweet potatoes in the grow bags here so we have some sweet potatoes to enjoy later, late in the summer. So obviously, in comparison, just side by side, smaller stalk, smaller bulb, but still, for one clove, not a bad trade-off to get several more. And the trick is, when you're growing garlic, is pick the biggest clove that you're gonna plant in order to produce a healthier garlic bulb that you'll be able to enjoy. Get another healthy garlic bulb here. Yeah, I'll try to do a count here. So we're at 4, 5, 6, 7. I know there was one more in here, but I don't think that one survived. So 7 out of this grow bag here. I probably could have put a little bit more, but I just want enough space for that they, so they can grow. But I definitely would plant more later in the year so I can have a lot more to harvest. Let's check the other bags out here. So again, what we got here? We got 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there should be 9 if I have my countings right. Okay, not bad. Not bad. And what I'll do too is I won't rinse these off. I'm just gonna put them in the garage, let them cure, dry, and then I will remove the outer layer and bring them inside the house. Give to a few friends, my parents maybe. So these are only a couple are a little bit bigger, but I think the mat definitely has some big boys on from the other grow bag. This seems like this one had like an extra bulb growing on it. Again, super easy thing to do. You can grow this in a container on your patio, your porch. Doesn't require much. Just be a little bit patient, and you'll have something that you can basically have an infinite supply of garlic as long as you just continue to plant what you grow and you just got to save enough. And this is my last bag here, another healthy bulb here. These are we got some big boys working with here. Get that out of there. Again, nice. But I couldn't tell you what type of garlic this is. Like I said, again, these are from the grocery store. Soil really healthy. Got some worms. That's what you like to see. So what we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9, 18. We had 7 or 8. So again, coming up just under 30, but still not bad to have this much garlic that I just pulled out of the garden, where I kind of set it and forget it. Got it from the grocery store, and now I'm just gonna put them in a tote, let them cure for a couple of weeks, and then I'll eventually will braid them, and then I'll have some garlic that we'll be able to enjoy, and I'll be able to get to the family. But hopefully you found this video very helpful, especially if you're looking to get into gardening and try growing some garlic. Super easy vegetable to grow. What I'll do is I will put a link to the bags that I have here. I've had these for many years, a little bit of wear, but still these are great bags that I have a bunch of different sizes in my garden space here. But I'll link them, so if you're interested in getting your own, you can find it very easily. But try growing your own garlic this year. As always, thank you for watching. Do me a favor, make sure you hit that like button. Please share, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel.